Good morning, class 5. Let us come again and welcome with the chapter 19, the struggle for independence. As the name suggests, the struggle which every and each Indian faced during they got the independence from Britishers. In this chapter, what are the objectives we will discuss? The role of social reformers, the growing sense of nationalism, partition of Bengal and the Swadeshi movement, role of revolutionaries, as well as we will see the involvement of India in World War I. Okay, though the revolt of 1857 failed to achieve its aim, means 1857 revolt was considered as the first war against the Britishers and it was failed. Unfortunately, it was failed because it was not planned. It was started before the actual time. It was planned at I think 31st May and it was started at 10th May. That's why it failed, because it was not planned properly and it was not organized. But what is the good impact after 1857 revolt? It aroused a positive ray in the heart of Indians that if they unite together and they plan something, they can get the Purna Swarajya and independence. Okay, how they know that what they should do to get the independence? Let us see. The educated Indian also realized that some social ills were the root cause of many of the problems. Means some educators were present in our India, like Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Mahatma Gandhi. They educated from the America or somewhere else, and now they realized that India has so many social ills. First, we have to educate the people of India, and then after we'll think about the independence, because if these ills were present in this society, we'll never educate the people and we cannot get the independence. What are the social ills? They are caste system, untouchability, child marriage, sati pratha, killing female babies, means infanticides, and were some social evils that were harming our society. Means they observed that these social evils were present in Indian society and they harm the Indian society so much. They did not let our country or society progress. Means if these social evils were present in our society, we will never progress. We cannot think properly. We always being a slave of Indian that Britishers, always slave of India Britishers. So first of all, we have to educate our people. Some great thinkers and reformers like Raja Ram Mohan Rai, is Raja Ram Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, and Dayanand Saraswati, and that is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, etc., fought against these social evils to prevent in our country. The chief aim to eliminate the superstitions. What are the superstitions? All these evils these all social evils like child marriage, sati pratha, these are the superstitions which struck in the mind of people of Indians, and they wants to educate the people. They also stress what is the main motto of these reformers. They wants to educate the Indian women. They thought that if Indian women will educate, the whole society will educate. Okay, how they got their aim, just let us see. The revolt of 1857 set many educated thinking about the unfair and attitude of Britishers. Now they got how the Britishers unfair on our people of India. They fought the first time. Therefore, the first time realized that the Britishers were not interested in the welfare of the Indians. Yes, of course, Britishers were not wants to educate the people of India. They did not want to end up these social evils. They did not want that Indian women will get the education. They did not want, they never established any school, any welfare society. That's how the now these educated people and these thinkers and these, we can say that, reformers thought that these Britishers are not the brothers of Indian. They do not want any upwardness in the mind of Indians. in the society of Indians. Their dissatisfaction with the Britishers, their unfair policies were growing. Uh, now they spread these messages among all of the persons who were educated, and now they also get the same idea that Britishers did not want to upgrade the society. These people and some Englishmen who agreed with the opinion of the educated Indians promote the Indian. That's why now they formed a committee. We can say that all educators and reformers formed a committee. And what was the name of that committee? Indian National Congress, INC. And what was the year? Which was the year? It was formed in 1885. Okay, student. A.O. Hume, it's a main important person. A.O. Hume, he formed the retired civil servants. He was retired civil servant, founded the INC. उसने ही INC बनाई थी, A.O. Hume. So question being asked from you that who formed INC? So your answer will be A.O. Hume. Okay, the first session of Indian National Congress was held at Bombay. Means first meeting. All the look at in the picture. I'll show you. In this picture, these all are the members of INC. These all are the members of INC, and they held first meeting, first session in Bombay. Where was the first session held of INC? It's in Bombay, with W.C. Banerjee as its president. And who was the president at that time of INC? W.C. Banerjee. The leaders of the INC did not ask for freedom in the beginning. Means in the beginning they didn't ask for any freedom. Only what was the motto? They wanted the British government to pay attention to the difficulties faced by the Indians and reform its policies so that Indians did not get any unjust treatment. Means what was the idea? They were not emphasized on the independence. Only what they want that if Britishers wants to rule over India, let it be. But what is the main thing? You should have to pay attention on the difficulties faced by the people, Indian peoples. Because what was the thing? That they did not want any independence that time, because all social reformers have the soft heart. Means in their heart there was not a thing that they want to fight against with Britishers. They only want that with हम सीधे सीधे रास्ते से इंडियंस वो ब्रिटिशर्स को बोलेंगे दैट यू कैन, इफ़ यू वांट टू गवर्न ऑन इंडिया यू कैन डू, बट यू शुड हैव थिंक ऑन द डिफिकल्टीज फेस्ड बाय द इंडियन पीपल. ओके, the most important leaders who interact with the British government were जो जिन मतलब the some of the most leaders of INC, some of the most leaders of INC who dealt with the British government were Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Dadabhai Naoroji, Vyomesh Chandra Banerjee, Madan Mohan Malviya, है ना, Badruddin Tayyabji, Surendranath Banerjee, and M.G. Ranade. Means these were the important leaders who talked with British governors, and they want, please you should take care of Indian people. If you are govern the economy of Indian people, so you should have to take care of Indian people also. They were against the violence. Means what is the main thing you should have remember? These all social reformers were against the violence. Okay, they only wanted reform means change. They only wanted change. Which type of change these people wanted? These people wanted educated India and happy India, and these reformers wants to ends up all superstitions which were established in Indian people. So they want a change. Reform means they want a new India only. They did not want any fight with discussion, with peaceful method. They want only reform. They never asked for complete independence. They are known as the moderators. It's a very important word. What do we call the moderators? Moderate means moderate kar dena, means change kar dena. They called it the moderators. Okay, Another group of Congress leaders opposed the method of moderators. Some of them means some of the leaders who were not absolutely agreed with these moderators. What they want, they did not believe in British governance. मीन्स उनको बिल्कुल भी विश्वास नहीं था कि हम इतने पोलाइट वे में जा कर के अगर उनसे बोलेंगे तो दे विल एब्सोल्युटली डिनाइड आवर रिक्वेस्ट एंड दे विल नॉट गिव एनी इंडिपेंडेंस, दे विल नॉट थिंक ऑफिशियली for the Indian people. They believed that the method of request and the method of they Britishers no they firmly believed that the method of request and persuasion were not enough to wake up the British to the suffering of the Indians. They wanted to take strong action against British to uproot them from India. Means they are the aggressive people. They are aggressive people. They do not believe on moderators, even they do not believe on British governance. They want ends up of the suffering of Indians. So they want a strong action against the Britishers. They want a strong action चाहिए था उनको independence, उन्हें पूर्ण स्वर, full freedom. They want full freedom. And these reformers against the full freedom means, as we can see in this line, they were against the violence. They never asked for the independence. उन्होंने अब independence के लिए बोला ही नहीं. But the another leaders were against the moderators, British governance, and they wants to uproot, बिल्कुल बाहर निकालना चाहते थे ब्रिटिशर्स को फ्रॉम इंडिया. दे अडॉप्टेड अग्रेसिव मेथड. सम ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट लीडर्स हैविंग दिस ओपिनियन वर कौन कौन थे उनमें? बाल गंगाधर तिलक, बिपिन चंद्र पाल एंड लाला राजपत राय. इनको पता, वी से दैम द शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ दीज थ्री पीपल, लाल, बाल and Pal. Lal for Lala Rajpat Rai, Bal for Bipin Chandra Pal, and Bal for Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, Lal, Bal, Pal. Okay, now let us see some more. They wanted complete independence, Poon Swarajya. Now this first term was used by these people, Poon Swarajya. They are known as extremists. They are known as extremists and they are known as moderate. Means soft people were known as moderates, and these aggressive people were who want to uproot the Britishers from Indian society. They known as extremists. Okay. Now let us see the next paragraph. Bal Gangadhar Tilak declared, freedom is my birthright. This was the line that said by Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and he उन्होंने spread कर दिया था. He spread this line among the people of India that freedom is our birthright and we will get this freedom by hook or by crook. Okay. He was arrested and jailed many times for writing against the British policies. He formed one paper also. This is Kesari paper, and he distributed these papers among the people India, and he wrote many faults of this British governance, and he always gave a line, freedom is my birthright and every Indian should collectively get an idea to get the freedom. Okay. Sorry. Partition of Bengal and the Swadeshi movement. These both incidents were very important for getting the independence. Okay, let us read. The Indian National Congress found a strong support from Indians day by day. It grew in popularity. Okay, now these leaders, I told you, extremers, they got the support from the Indian people, from the elite section to the common men of India. Each one stood by the National Congress under the leadership of INC. Indians were becoming more and more united and patriotic, because in every heart, each and single, they were frustrated actually to follow the rule of British governance, and they were not fairly treated with those people. Now they got frustrated and now they got 100% independence. They pulled out the root of British government from the India, and now they want a free India, and the British took this as a threat to their rule. Now also British realized that if people of India unite together, and if people of India unite together and they fought against with Britishers, means उनको ख़त्म हो जाएगा, and they have to pulled out from the India. So उन्होंने फिर एक रास्ता अपनाया. They formed one trick. What they trick? They prevent Indian from getting united. They decided to divide India. मीन्स उन्होंने एक लाइन बोली थी, फूट करो, ऐसा करके कुछ था, और फूट डालो राज करो, फूट डालो और राज करो. मीन्स उन्होंने इंडिया को ब्रेक करने का सोच लिया था. दे डिसाइडेड टू ब्रेक इंडिया. दैट्स वाई हाउ ही दे स्टॉप्ड इंडियन पीपल. सो व्हाट दे डिड in Bengal of the basis of religion, divide the Indians in Bengal on the basis of religion. In 1905 they divided Bengal into two parts. उन्होंने बंगाल को टू पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया. ईस्ट बंगाल फॉर मुस्लिम एंड वेस्ट बंगाल फॉर हिंदूज. मीन्स टू मेन कस्टम्स वर लिविंग इन इंडिया. दे वर India Hindus and Muslims, and Britishers divide those Hindus and Muslims to because in that freedom process all were together. No one was Indian and no one was Muslim. They all together, they unite together, and they fought against the Britishers only. Both Hindus and Muslims togetherly fought with the Britishers. So the Britishers tricked follow a trick. They divided Hindus separately and Muslims separately, है ना. So for this purpose they divide the Bengal in East Bengal and West Bengal. The Indian could very well understand that the Britishers were dividing them on the basis of religion. They strongly opposed this division. अब Indians थे because एक race उनके mind में आ चुकी थी कि we have to fight against the Britishers and we have to unite together. तो अब उन्होंने उसका अपोज करना चालू कर लिया. To protest against the British policy divide and rule, means फूट डालो राज करो, divide and rule. They followed this rule, divide and rule. Indian organized Swadeshi movement. At that time Indian organized their first movement which was popular as the name of Swadeshi movement. They decided to boycott. What is the meaning of boycott? Means बिल्कुल मना कर देना, deny. दे डिनाइड टू फॉरेन गुड्स. जितनी भी फॉरेन गुड्स थी जो अंग्रेज़ों की तरफ से मिलती थी, दे डिनाइड एवरीथिंग एंड यूज़ ओनली स्वदेशी गुड. दैट्स वाई इट्स नेम वॉज स्वदेशी मूवमेंट मेड इन इंडिया. दिस एक्ट एनकरेज द लोकल इंडस्ट्रीज. अब इस इंकरेजमेंट चालू हो गया किसका? लोकल हमारे इंडियन इंडस्ट्रीज़ का. इंडियन every Indian, whether student, women, children, joined this movement and they took out prohibitions and stop the people from buying or even reaching the shops selling the foreign goods. Means हमें foreign goods खरीदनी ही नहीं है. They burned the British good in the streets. जो भी उनके पास पहले से ब्रिटिश गुड्स थे उनको उन्होंने बर्न कर दिया. द ब्रिटिश कुड नॉट फेस सच स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑपोजिशन इन 1911. दे फाइनली हैड टू रीयूनाइट द they finally had, and they stopped the partition of the Bengal at once again. Means they reunite the Bengal once again. Okay, role of revolutionaries. What was the role? Why they were very important? What was their role? The revolutionaries were a group of patriotic people who believed that the violence should be met with the violence only. Means now they think another idea. These revolutionaries people believed that violence should be met with the violence. Means they wanted a quicker result from the British government. They did not believe in discussion, pleading or prayers. Some important revolutionaries were, as we know, we are familiar with these names: Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Ashfaq Ullah, Veer Savarkar, Ram Prasad Bismil, and these are the pictures. You can see here. Okay. Veer Savarkar, Ram Prasad Bismil, Batukeshwar Dutt, Jatin Das, and one is Khudiram Bose. Okay, chalo. Khudiram Bose was hanged to death for his revolutionary activities at the age of 16. He was the youngest person who means martyrs, we can say the martyr who was martyr against the fought of independence. Bismillah, Shafaqullah, Roshan Singh, Rajendra Lahiri had looted official railway cash at Kothari. This was the important incident, means these four people, Bismillah, Ashfaq, Roshan Singh and Rajendra Lahiri, had looted, means रेलवे कैश एट कोठारी. कोठारी स्टेशन पे रेलवे का कैश जा रहा था, मीन्स ब्रिटिशर्स का कैश जा रहा था, एंड दे लूटेड, they stole that cash. They needed the money for buy weapons. Why they looted that cash? Because now they starting up the independence war, and for that war they want new weapons, against the Britishers, because already Britishers have so many weapons, and if they decided to fought with the Britishers, so they need now weapons, and for buying the weapons they need cash also. So for this cash they stole that train, and they were hanged later on. For this crime, the Britishers hanged them. Chandrasekhar Azad formed the Hindustan Socialist Republic Association. Means the question being asked from you, which association was formed by Chandrasekhar? So your answer will be Hindustan Socialist Republic Association. Okay. Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt were the member of this society, this Republic Society, which was formed by the Chandrasekhar. Two main important members were Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt. They threw bomb on the floor of the assembly in Delhi. When Britishers held an assembly in Delhi, these both people threw the bomb. Chandrasekhar Azad killed himself in a self-defense during fight with the police in 1931, and Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev were hanged on March 23, 1931. Means when was Chandrasekhar had died in 31, and when was these three people who were the member of this Hindustan Socialist Republic Association, 23rd March 1931. Okay. Indians staying abroad also formed a parties to fight back with the British rule in India under the leadership of Lala Hardayal. The Gadar party was formed in USA. Means in USA also they wants to fight against with the British rulers, and in USA in the companion of Lala Hardayal they formed a party, Gadar party. Apart from this, they supplied arms and voluntaries to help the revolutionary in India also. Means now they all Indians unite together after the revolt arose in 1857, and social reformers, when they decided after the formed of Indian National Congress, all Indians comes together, and from the USA also Lala Hardayal sent voluntaries and arms to help the Indian people. Madam Bhikhaji Kama started a paper Vande Mataram in Geneva. Okay, that was very important incident that Madam Bhikhaji Kama had started one paper in Geneva, Vande Mataram. Maulana Barakatullah and Raja Mahendra Pratap went to the Kabul to lead the freedom movement from there. Means these both people were lead this movement, Poon Swaraj movement, from the Kabul. These revolutionaries used violent method to fight against the Britishers. They were willing to lay down their lives for their country. Means they were eager. They never stopped. And they only one thing they remembered in their mind: if we have to sacrifice our life, we can do this for our country. But we now get the full independence from Britishers. Okay, let us see the next paragraph. World War I. In 1914, the World War I had begun. lakhs of Indian soldiers fought for the Britishers, means British armies. Means British armies had taken away Indian soldiers, means they will fight, these Indian soldiers will fight at the side of British army. Means India, they took Indian soldiers, they sacrificed their life, Indian soldiers will sacrifice their life for the Britishers in hope of getting freedom from their rule. And at the end of the war, thousands of Indian soldiers were killed, but the Britishers government showed no sympathy for Indians. Means the उन्होंने एक डील साइन करी, इफ द आर्मी पीपल विल फॉट अगेंस्ट विद द साइड ऑफ ब्रिटिशर्स, दे विल लेट द इंडिया फ्री. Thousands of people, thousands of soldiers were killed in World War One. World War One, thousands of soldiers were killed. But also now also after stop that in World War First, Britishers never get any sympathy with these Indians who were martyred in that World War One. They imposed more taxes on taxes to compensate for the losses suffered during the war. This was the point when the Indian masses turned absolutely against them and unite to throw them out the India. Now they realized and now they were ready, these Indians were ready, they got unite and they now want to pull out the roots of Britishers, pull out the roots of Britishers from India. Mahatma Gandhi had also returned to India when World War One was going on. He felt betrayed by the British government. He took over the leadership and carried forward the movement of independence. After the sacrificing life of so many soldiers in the World War First, Mahatma Gandhi had returned from South Africa after completing his studies, and now he got the charges of fighting this war against the Britishers, and after that India got independent country. Okay, so it sends up this chapter. I hope you got to understand about this. Again read this chapter with yourself. Okay, take care of yourself, beta. Bye.